Yeah, what's that? Daddy got a new toy, huh? Uh-huh. Yeah? Is it gonna be yours? Is that okay? Oh, you don't like this? Yeah. You wanna change this one? Let's change it to Cane Creek. Yeah, SS works on a handlebar. You like that? Let's put it on. Alright, so this is the XD 12-speed ratchet system, and we're gonna have to change the microspline right there. Oh no. There you go. And the end cup. There you go. Let's install it now. Come on. Yep, we have to install it there now. Yeah. There you go. Alright. Yep, there you go. So we're gonna have a proper torque. There, we need that. Yep. You see that? Put it together. Yeah. There you go. You wanna set that? All set. There's a little bit of grease there. Plus this one already has some grease. So let's put this on. Let's put that there. Just to have a proper torque. That's it. We're good. Brand new installed. Kinda like that sound. Alright guys, so I'm almost done. Got a fork and the brakes. That's actually only 180. I could change it to 200 if I wanted to. But for now, that's good. Alright. I'm just gonna change this dropper post. Let's take this out there. Let's take this all out. Come on, yeah. Help that. Take this out. Oh. Here, you can have it. So we got this one right here. This way. Look at that. It can go all the way down. Whoa. Look at that. It went all the way down. This is the SDG. And this is the Raider version. That should look good. If not, I'm gonna change it to Specialized. Alright. Are you ready to install this app? This is the race face pedal, and this is the Atlas. Let's open it. There it is, the race face Atlas. Put the washer there. That spins so good. I love it. It's so light and very, very smooth. Alright, I think it's done.